And Walt Grayson is here to take us on a very interesting look around Mississippi. Walt has been over to Lee County, where a cat recently had some kittens.
Had kittens. That's not anything you're going to find on top stories so far, but until you learn that a little squirrel had a litter about the same time this cat had kittens, and then what developed after that really gets interesting. Emmy the cat gets my nomination for Kitty Mother of the Year. Not that Emmy doesn't just lie around like other cats and occasionally scratch her claws on something you wish you wouldn't, but there arose a situation around the time she had her kittens that Emmy has stepped up to the plate and helped solve. Well, she's taken in a baby squirrel and is providing a plate for the little squirrel at her table along with the rest of the kittens.
She's very protective of it. If it starts to move and she don't like where it's going, she'll reach up and pull it back, start licking it, and taking care of it just like she would one of her kittens.
Jim Watkins and his wife Karen of Carthage have helped organize Central Mississippi TAILS.
It stands for Taking Animals into Loving Shelters.
Now that's how Jim and Karen got Emmy and her extended family. Emmy's owner lived where she couldn't have pets and called her vet to see what she could do with the new family.
I seem to be the go-to girl from my vet. Anytime someone has a cat they can't take care of, I'm the one they call. And that's how we wound up with 18 cats and a squirrel.
And the squirrel came as a gift from the sky. Just before Emmy's owner gave